Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Skilling course. Today we are going to see how to create a slide master in MS PowerPoint. Slide master is a tool used in Microsoft PowerPoint to create slide templates. Once the slide master is created, the slide layouts including the background color, fonts, effects, positioning, etc. are saved and can be used as a template for the remaining slides. When we edit the slide master, it will affect every slide in the presentation. This way, we do not have to make the changes in each slide one by one. The changes made in master slide will be applied to all the other slides also. For example, we can add the title or logo of our organization in every page with the help of a master slide instead of copy-pasting in every page. To create a master slide, click the Home tab and click Layout option and select Blank Slide. Now click the View option and select Slide Master. As soon as we select the Slide Master option, we will see that a new tab has been created for it. Now on the left side thumbnail panel, click the first slide and the entire text and press delete. Now click the Insert tab and select the text box option. We can click and drag the cursor to create a text box. We can enter the text we want as heading and then click the Slide Master tab and also click the Close Master View button as shown here. The title we typed has now appeared on the slide. Now let us create a new slide. As you can see here, the title we created on the first page is appearing on the second page. The same topic will appear in all the new slides we create. If we want to edit the title now, we can go back to the View tab and select the Slide Master. Now let us select the first slide in the left pane and edit the title. After we make the changes in the Slide Master, we can close the view by clicking the Close Master View option. As shown here, the edited text appears on all the pages. To enter text, we can select the text box from the Insert tab and then start typing the content. The content which we type inside the slide will appear only on the first slide. Please remember that we cannot delete master slide layouts while they are in use. Let's say that we want the header to appear only in one specific slide. Then we have to create a new slide master by clicking on View tab, Slide Master and selecting the Insert Slide Master option. As you can see here, a new Slide Master has been added. Now close the Slide Master View option. Go to the Home tab and select the New Slide drop-down button and select Slide from New Slide Master. You can delete this new Slide Master by going to the View tab again and selecting Slide Master. Then again select the first slide of the second slide master. Then deselect the preserve option given above and right click on the slide and select delete option. Please remember that the fixed words can appear only in one slide master. If you want to change the theme of your presentation, you have to use another slide master. This is how you can use the slide master in your presentation. This will be very helpful when we want to make global design changes and apply it uniformly across all the slides. Thank you.